In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find old emails in Gmail. If you've got years of messages and don't want to scroll forever, this simple search trick will take you straight to the older conversations you're looking for. Start by opening Gmail in your browser. At the very top, you'll see the search bar that runs across the page. This is where the magic happens. Click into that bar and type the word before, immediately followed by a colon with no spaces. After the colon, enter the date in the order year, month, day, with each part separated by a slash. For example, you could type before 2018 equals 6:30, then press enter. Gmail will instantly filter your inbox and show only the emails that were sent before the date you entered. In other words, if you typed before 2018 06:30, you'll see all messages older than June 30th, 2010. This is a fast, reliable way to jump back in time without clicking through pages or guessing which labels to check. A few details will help you get it right every time. Use a 4-digit year, then the month and the day as numbers. Slashes are important. Keep them in the format year/month/day. Don't add spaces anywhere in the search. It should read as one continuous command, like before, 2018 06:30. If your month or day is a single digit, you can still write it as a single number, or add a leading zero. Both will work. If your results feel too broad and you're still seeing more than you want, just pick an earlier date and try again in the same search bar. If you aren't seeing enough messages, choose a later date. Adjusting the date lets you quickly zero in on the time period you care about, whether that's a specific year, a season, or the span before a major project began. What's great about this method is that it uses Gmail's built-in search language, so you don't need to dig through settings or special menus. You're simply telling Gmail, "Show me everything older than this date," and it responds immediately. To recap, open Gmail, click the search bar at the top, type before, followed by a date in the format year/month/day, and press enter. That's all you need to efficiently find old emails in Gmail. Try a date, review the results, and adjust the date if needed to land exactly where you want in your email history.